Welcome to Detroit, a place where every alley whispers legends and every skyline tells a story of resilience. This is not just a city, it's an experience waiting to unfold. Are you ready to explore the real Detroit? Greetings and welcome. I'm Carolyn A. from GettingToTheRoots.com. We're ready to empower you with tools, resources, and inspiration to craft a legacy that's uniquely yours. Uncover your family's place in history. Learn to celebrate and share these stories through family reunions and blogging connecting your family across distances. Together, let's uncover the stories that have shaped us, celebrate the diversity of our heritage, and ensure that the legacies of our ancestors are remembered and cherished forever. Join me as I unfold the reasons why Detroit holds a special place in my heart and why it might capture yours too. Let's dive in. How did Detroit's rise as the Motor City revolutionize not only the automotive industry, but also American culture, economy, and the very fabric of urban life? Nestled along the flowing waters of the Detroit River, which serves as a natural border with Canada, Detroit stands as a testament to American ingenuity and resilience. This strategic location has not only facilitated international trade and connections, but also infused the city with a rich blend of cultures, ideas, and innovations. Known affectionately as the Motor City, Detroit's significance stretches far beyond its geographical advantages. It is a cultural and industrial powerhouse that has played a pivotal role in shaping the automotive industry, music genres, and the American labor movement. The city's landscape, which is characterized by recognizable skyscrapers and storied neighborhoods, tells the story of its illustrious past, its trying present, and its rosy future. Detroit is more than just a city. It is a living museum of American industrial history, a beacon of cultural diversity, and a hub of artistic creativity. How did Detroit's rise as the Motor City revolutionize not only the automotive industry, but also American culture, economy, and the very fabric of urban life? Detroit's identity as Motor City was forged in the early 20th century, marking a pivotal moment in American and global history. The rise of the automotive industry transformed not just manufacturing, but also American life, mobility, and the economy, ushering in significant social and cultural shifts. Companies like Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler were instrumental in this change, contributing to the growth of the middle class and shaping Detroit's innovative spirit. Beyond manufacturing, the automotive industry's influence reached urban development, labor movements, and the arts, establishing Detroit as a symbol of American industrial innovation. What remarkable leaders have shaped Detroit's political landscape and propelled its journey through resilience and social justice? Coleman Young, Detroit's first African-American mayor, who led the city through challenges and revitalization from 1974 to 1994, was a significant figure in the city's political history. John Conyers, a long-serving congressman, advocated for civil rights, healthcare reform, and reparations for African Americans, highlighting Detroit's role in national racial justice discussions. Brenda Jones, as Detroit City Council president and a U.S. representative, focused on improving public services and fostering community engagement.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.